Here's my animal science book. We need to fill it with pictures of animals and get it back to the animal rescue center. Quick, before time runs out. Come on, amigos, let's go! Use the arrow keys to walk through the rainforest. Use the space bar to jump. Pick up fruit and coin. When Rescue Pack lights up, it's ready to transform, so we can fly. Let's go on an adventure. The jaguar. Extra time. The anaconda. We're flying. The kinkajou. Rutas. Extra time. The pygmy marmoset. Extra time. Bonus points. The butterfly. Get to the animal rescue center. Bonus. Blue. Extra time. Bonus. Great job. You're a beginner rescuer. Keep going to be a junior rescuer. The macaw. Extra time. Extra time. The kinkajou. Whee! It's Rescue Pack. The jaguar. Whee! The butterfly. Bonus point. Bonus point. Extra time. We need to fill up the animal science book. Bonus. The sloth. Get to the animal rescue center. a junior rescuer. Keep going to be a master rescuer. Frutas. The Pigmy Marmoset. The Anaconda. We're flying. The Jaguar. Extra time. The Butterfly. Extra time. Bonus points. The Red-Eyed Tree Frog. Get to the Animal Rescue Center. Misión cumplida. That was a great adventure.